Advanced SEO Tips 2025. We are now on chapter 52, which is done by Stewart Vickers.
Yeah, so Stewart Vickers, also known as SEO Jesus to many in the industry. Overall, great guy. I love the fact that he tests quite a lot of different strategies that's working in today's algorithms. Some say he's a little bit black hat, so he does quite a bit of like Parasite SEO, but he actually implements a lot of white hat strategies. He does a lot of investments now. I believe he's recently invested into a SaaS tool. So yeah, all round good guy. Like you said, I enjoy people that actually test and break things and don't just listen to what others say. He's a doer. He's got a nice community of people, good following. He attends a lot of the events. Every day is a school day. He's always looking to like come up with new ideas and test new ideas. So all around a great guy.
Yeah, so this is Advanced SEO Tips 2025. Unless you're watching this in 2026, where we will have actually updated this. New people, new faces, new chapters. Grab your copy on Amazon while you can.